Hi everyone, welcome to my week 3 vlog. Today we are going to talk about typography. Typography is the art of arranging letters and text in a way that makes the copy legible, clear, and visually appealing to the reader. It involves font style, appearance, and structure, which aims to elicit certain emotions and convey specific messages. In short, typography is what brings text to life. Now that we all know what typography is, let's talk about the history of typography. Typography can be dated back to 11th century during the innovation of movable type. The first example of typography can be seen in the Gutenberg Bible, which kickstarted a typography revolution in the West. The 20th century brought still more important developments in the typeface history. The first full-time type designer was Frederick Gaudí, who got his start in the 1920s. He created iconic fonts that are still in use, including Copperplate Gothic and Gaudi Old Style. In 1957, Max Meidinger designed Helvetica. I'm pretty sure you know about that font, arguably the most iconic typeface of the 20th century. Other minimalistic typefaces were also developed in the 20th century, including Futura and Optima. Moving forward to the digital era, the first digital typeface was DigiGrotesque, which was designed by Rudolf Hell in 1968. In 1974, the first outline, that is, vector fonts, were developed, which resulted in better readability and at the same time reducing the file size. By the late 1980s, TrueType fonts were created, which allowed for both computer displays and output devices like printers to use a single file. Even if you install a new type file in your computer today, the file that you see will be TrueType file. In 1997, OpenType fonts were invented, which allowed both Mac and PC platforms to use a single font file. In the same year, CSS incorporated the first ever font styling rules, and the following year, the first support for web fonts was added to Internet Explorer 4. The 21st century brought considerable advances in web fonts. In 2009, the Web Open format was developed and added to the W3C Open Web standard. Widespread support for web fonts revolutionized digital design, allowing designers practically unlimited options in web typography and ushering in trends including big typography and the use of outline fonts. The introduction of variable fonts within the OpenType standard in 2016 strengthened the web typography revolution. That is a lot of history, right? But shifting to present, graphic designers today have the luxury of endless tools and technology to create a wide range of typographic styles and even entire families of fonts and typefaces. There is some confusion surrounding the difference between typefaces and fonts, and let me clear that for you. A lot of people treat the two as synonyms, but that's not true. A typeface is a design style which comprises a myriad of characters of varying sizes and weight, whereas a font is a graphical representation of a text character. Put simply, a typeface is a family of related fonts. For example, there are 3 basic kinds of typeface: serif, sans serif, and decorative, while fonts refer to the weights, widths, and styles that constitute a typeface. Typography is so much more than just choosing beautiful fonts. So next time, if you're choosing a font for your project, make sure that it optimizes readability and is accessible to everyone. Thank you. I'll see you in my next vlog. Bye.